what is Puravive? Well, Puravive is a dietary supplement that promises healthy weight loss, but does it actually work? Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Maria, and if you want to lose those extra pounds, you probably already heard about the new exotic rice weight loss method, right? And if you don't, I'll explain to you. It was based on a discovery from German scientists, and it led to Puravive. But what is Puravive? Well, Puravive is a dietary supplement that promises healthy weight loss, but does it actually work? Today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Puravive to help you to decide if this product is for you or not and if it really works.
So I decided to record this video to tell you all about my experience using the supplement. I'll tell you all about my story, how was the treatment, why I decided to try Puravive, and if it was worth it, okay? But I also have a very important alert to share with you, so if you don't want to put your money and health at risk, make sure to watch this whole video, okay? First, let me explain to you how they claim Puravive work. Well, Puravive is supposed to be a dietary supplement made with a really powerful tropical nutrients and plants that together are supposed to target the low brown adipose tissue levels, which is the new discovered real root cause of unexplained weight gain and belly fat. But what is brown adipose tissue, right? Brown adipose tissue is also known as brown fat, but it's not fat at all. It's actually a fat shrinker, okay? It can burn 300 times more calories than any other cell in your body. Now, let me tell you a little bit about my story. Well, I gained a lot of weight during the COVID pandemic, about 40 pounds, and guys, I was really depressed, okay? I could not believe how big I was. I didn't want to look at myself in the mirror. I didn't want to see my friends. Dressing up for me was a nightmare because nothing was fitting, so I was never going out. And I was really desperate because I was trying everything to lose weight, you know? And even when I tried crazy exercise routines and restrictive diets, the best I got was like losing 4 pounds, but I gained it all over again. And I've even considered weight loss injections and aesthetic procedures, but they're too damn expensive. So I changed doctors, and this new doctor recommended that I try this new supplement called Puravive, and I was like, okay, sure. I was not very excited because I thought nothing was going to work. I felt really hopeless. So imagine my surprise when I noticed that in the first month I lost like 10 pounds. Of course, I continued my treatment, this time very hopeful that I would get into my ideal weight. And guys, I must tell you that I was feeling more energetic, and I thought it was because I was seeing results, but I discovered that Puravive gives you other health benefits, including more energy. And one thing I knew I didn't want it was another medicine with tons of side effects. So my doctor guaranteed that this is a 100% natural supplement with no side effects or contraindications. And this was one of the main reasons why I decided to try Puravive. And I'm so glad I did because I only got positive effects from it. And other factor that was crucial for my decision to try Puravive is that they offer you a 180-day money back guarantee. So if I wasn't satisfied with this product for any reason, they would give all of my money back, no problems, no questions asked. But guys, I thought, well, this product must work. They wouldn't give you a money back guarantee if it wasn't a good product, right? And thank God I was right. Now I'll give you a very important information, okay? Pay very close attention to this. Well, Puravive is only sold on the official website, and why is this so important? Well, because there's a lot of marketplaces and unofficial websites claiming to sell Puravive, but it's not the real deal, so you may end up losing your money, or even worse, you can harm your health. Plus, you won't have this guarantee I just mentioned because it's only available on the official website. So to help you, I'll leave the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. This way you can access more information about Puravive and shop safely if you decide to. Other really important thing to mention is that if you want to have great results, just like I did, you have to take your treatment seriously and every single day, okay? Otherwise, it won't work and you get frustrated. But if you take your treatment correctly, as you should, I guarantee that you'll see the initial results in the first month, but for better and lasting results, the recommended treatment time is 3 to 6 months. So I highly recommend you to order the Puravive Bigger Kits, especially because the guarantee covers the whole period, right? And because the link I left on the description is the same link where I bought my Puravive 6-month supply kit with discount and free shipping. It's been about 5 months that I'm taking Puravive, and I can honestly tell you guys that I've never felt better. Trying the supplement was the best decision I could ever make. I can wear all of my clothes again. I can go out with my friends and take a lot of pictures. I can go out on dates and don't feel like I'm disappointing the other person, you know. It's all a different person now, and I'm not only talking about my physique. And since the beginning of my treatment, I lost 39 pounds. I still want to lose another 5 pounds to reach my ideal weight, but guys, I'm already super happy, super confident about my body, which 6 months ago I thought wasn't possible. So believe me when I say that this is possible for you too. But I think this is it. I really hope I helped you with this Puravive review. I think I've covered all the most important information about Puravive on this video, but you can check the official website to know more about Puravive, okay? The link is in the description. But if you still have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I really wish you great results, even better than mine. Have a nice day.
Now, what is Puravive, all right? What is your BAT levels? Guys, if you are a person who is every day trying to lose weight, every single day you put on your sweat clothes, you go jogging, you go for a walk, you go to the gym, you eat right, you prepare up your diets, you spend a lot of money. Hey, hi, good afternoon, what's up? Guys, I think you came to this video because you might be searching on your computers right now ways to lose weight, right? Ways to get rid of belly fat, especially like these fats if you have arm fats. I have arm fats. I don't like my arm fats, but I do know of an awesome way to really lose up to a lot of weight, and a natural way, of course, because nowadays the more natural we are, the better, right? It seems that nowadays there's just like chemicals and synthetic additives and preservatives in every single foods we eat, and it's annoying because it's like the more healthier we want to be, the more expensive organic foods are, right? So when it comes to like preparing up a diet or your meals to work out, or maybe you've got like a nutritionist, and then he gives you this list that you have to prep up diets, but then it's like organic, organic, organic. And then you hit the supermarket, everything that is organic is really expensive. But that's not why I'm here today. I'm not here to talk to you about organic foods. I am here to talk to you about an exotic rice method that is helping people to lose weight without need of diets, without the need of even cooking up. So if you stay right there, today, I will be sharing things about Puravive. You see, this exotic rice method actually led to the discovery of Puravive, which is a formula that is created by doctors and scientists that came from like studies and more years of studies until they reached this perfect formula that helps people to boost their BAT levels and actually start to lose weight. All right, so don't forget about working out. Forget about going to the supermarket to buy organic foods that you have to still cook up to prepare up your diets, right? Your meals. You can just start taking Puravive. And if you stay right there, I'm going to show you how Puravive will help you to get rid of all the fats around your body. You can say goodbye to that belly fat that is really bothering you at this time of the day, at this time of, at this time in your lives. Stay right there because I'm going to show you everything about this exotic rice method. Before I do that, let me quickly give you this alert. I have seen people on the internet complain about Puravive. You are going to see that too. People sometimes complain that Puravive does not give them results, that it does not help them out in any ways. But do you know why it doesn't help them out? People just type up Puravive on the internet and they get it from whichever website they find it first, or whichever website has a promising price. But guys, here's the deal. Not everyone on the internet cares about your health. Not everyone cares if you're trying to lose weight or not. People just sell whatever product using Puravive's name, Puravive's logo, but clearly it is not the real Puravive. So those things could lead to bad side effects or no results at all. If you are trying to lose weight and you really want to let go of your fat stores, you have to be getting the original Puravive that is sold in one place only on the internet, which is their official webpage, guys. So I am here to help you, and I will be helping you also by leaving the link that will take you directly to their official webpage just down here below this video, okay? That link is the original Puravive's website. You can go there, make a very safe and secure purchase. And even more, if you desire a refund in the future for whatever personal reasons, the official webpage is actually the only place that can help you out. So keep that in mind, all right? Pop by there afterwards to learn more about Puravive. Now, what is Puravive, all right? What is your BAT levels? Guys, if you are a person who is every day trying to lose weight, every single day you put on your sweat clothes, you go jogging, you go for a walk, you go to the gym, you eat right, you prepare up your diets, you spend a lot of money at the gym, you spend a lot of money at the supermarket, you spend a lot of money on gas because you have to be cooking up diets, and everything takes time and everything takes money, right? But you're not getting results. You're not slimming down. It is because your BAT levels are actually really, really low, and it's not that easy to raise them. Nope. That's where Puravive comes in. You see, Puravive actually contains a really great formula that is 100% organic, natural. It uses ingredients from around the world. It uses ingredients that Mother Nature has to offer us. We're counting on propolis, luteolin, white Korean ginseng. We're talking about berberine, amongst so much more. Vitamins, we're talking about herbal extracts. These are ingredients that you get in Puravive, and each and every one of these ingredients have one specific thing in common, which is that all of them will help you to raise your BAT levels. Guys, if you have really low BAT levels, which is your brown adipose tissues, it doesn't matter if you go to the gym every single day. You are not going to lose weight. If you have really low BAT levels, it makes it impossible for your body to lose weight. That's why Puravive can help you out. Puravive will actually help you to raise your BAT levels to the level it should be, which is high. So once your BAT levels are actually really, really high, finally, your body can start to melt down the fats around it. So we're talking about your body letting loose of the stubborn fats around your belly. These fats here, you see these fats here? I have a lot of fats in my arms. These type of fats, the fats around your legs, around your hips. Those fats, they're gonna start to melt down. And the results you get? A thinner you. But that is not the only thing that Puravive will help you to do. At the same time that Puravive is helping you to raise your BAT levels so that it makes it so much more easier for your body to melt down the fats, it's at the same time increasing your metabolism, which is another enzyme in your body that is responsible for weight loss. And so once your metabolism is actually working really, 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 really fast, it's helping out your body even more. So you're going to be doubling up the speed of your weight loss, So you have two enzymes in your body working perfectly fine, and the result? really, really slimmer body. So there is actually a lot of really great things that Puravive will benefit you with. Of course, number one is weight loss, but Puravive's natural ingredients help you to control your blood sugar levels. It helps you to maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. It's going to power up your brain's power, boost up your immunity, fill your body with energy levels so you can expect disposition, you can expect less stress, less anxiety, and just become a much more chilled out and relaxed person, a person who is happier with their body, because you are going to realize these results, guys. You are going to see your body actually becoming thinner by the day. So of course, Puravive is amazing, and you have to be really, really serious with your treatment. Once you head over to their official webpage, you can actually check out. They have like a 1-month supply, a 3-month supply, and a 6-month supply. If you are overweight, if you are really not happy with your body and really need to lose up to a lot of pounds, you have to do a 3 or a 6 month treatment. And here's the deal. You have to use Puravive every single day without interruptions, okay? So just keep it somewhere where you always see it. You have to be taking it in the morning in order to also help out your body get more energy throughout the day. And guys, no interruptions. Otherwise, you are not going to see weight loss, and it's going to take forever to get results. So make sure that you are very, very determined. Right now, as we speak, there's just so many people, thousands of people all over the world, really happy with their newer bodies, really healthier as well, and just having so much more confidence in themselves again, because they are able to look at themselves in the mirror and really like what they see. They are able to wear shorts, dresses, skinny tight jeans, or for men, fit into like a tuxedo that is a smaller size, So Puravive is for both men and women who are trying to lose weight. You do have a 180-day money-back guarantee. That is a total of 6 months. 6 months is the full treatment. So the manufacturers are really, really generous here in offering you a 6 months money-back guarantee. In case it ends up not being what you thought it would be and it did not meet your standards, request your money back on the official webpage. They are going to help you out, all right? But honestly, use Puravive every single day throughout your treatment. And guys, the results are going to be amazing. You're going to let go of fat stores, because let's face it, being overweight is not healthy. It could lead to severe health issues. So if you know you are overweight and you need to become healthier, it's about time you act right now. The link is here waiting for you. So please just check it out, okay? And if you still have questions about Puravive, if you still have questions or doubts about this exotic rice method, pop them in the comments below. We're going to do our best in helping you out, all right? But for now, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, it's about time to lose weight. You don't have to be working out. You don't have to be prepping up diets. You can live your life normally and just, eat your normal foods, but still use Puravive that you're going to lose up to a lot of weight, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a magnificent day. Take great care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hey everybody, welcome to this video about the Puravive supplement. My name is Vic and I'm here today to share with you all the complete information about this supplement, tell you what it is, what it does, if it really works. So if you want to know all of that, stay with me until the very end of this video. For sure it's going to be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about it. But I also have a really important alert that you must know before actually purchase it, so stay with me, guys. However, if you watch this video until the very end and you think you need more information about it, I managed to find the link for the official website and I left it just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below to go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me because the alerts will be available only here on this video, okay? So folks, the Puravive supplement is 100% natural. Let's begin with this information that for me, it's the most important one. That means it has no chemical composition in the formula, only natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients, minerals, and it will help you to lose weight in a healthy way. Healthy because it is 100% natural, right? And it will help you guys because it will work on the root cause of your problem. So maybe you're doing exercises and crazy diets, but it's not working for you. And that's because you're not working on the root cause of the problem. So let me tell you that. The scientists discovered that when the levels of the brown adipose tissue in your body are low, it means your body will start storing fat. So that's why you have that stubborn fat that won't burn for nothing. And the Puravive will boost the levels of this brown adipose tissue in your organism, which will make your whole body flush out all of the storage fat in your organism. So that's why it will work, right? And as it is 100% natural, guys, with all of these natural and amazing ingredients, it will bring you a lot of other benefits, like it will give you more energy, more disposition, it will make your digestive system work correctly, It will give you more satiety while eating, which will make you relax and consequently lose weight. It will boost your immune system. So all of that in just one supplement. But of course, to see all of these results, you must be committed to it and take it every single day. Otherwise, you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimum treatment is of 3 months, but you can also do the complete treatment of 6 months if you want to lose more than 10 pounds, for example. And in addition to all of these benefits, they offer you a 180-day money-back guarantee. So you can actually test it for 180 days, and if you don't see the results or for any other reason you don't like it, all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund, that they will give you 100% of your money back. So you will have nothing to lose here, my friends, only benefits for you. But remember, I told you I had an alert to share with you guys, so here it is. The only place you can purchase the original Puravive from is on their official website. That means it is not possible to buy any drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. So remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video. And that is the only place in the whole internet that can purchase the original Puravive from. Nowhere else. So keep that information in mind, okay? And this was the information I wanted to share with you about the Puravive supplement. Thank you so much for watching till here. I hope I have answered all of your questions. But remember, you can check out the complete information and buy the original Puravive on the link of my description.